Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of this module. In this tutorial we will learn about what is IDOR or Insecure Direct Object Reference. Insecure Direct Object Reference allow attackers to bypass authorization and access resources directly by modifying the value of a parameter, which is used to directly point out to an object. Insecure Direct Object Reference allow attackers to bypass authorization and access resources directly by modifying the value of a parameter, which is used to directly point to an object. Such resources can be databases entries belonging to other user, files in the system, and more. This is caused by the fact that the application takes user-supplied input which will be entered by the user and uses it to retrieve an object without performing sufficient authorization checks. There can be many variables in the application such as ID, PID, UID, etc. Although these values are often seen as HTTP parameters, they can be found in headers and cookies. Remember this thing, that they can be found in headers and cookies. The attacker can access, edit or delete any of other users' object by changing the values. This vulnerability is called IDOR.
So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will perform this in a testing environment. Thank you.